Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can save receipts or any other support document like supplier invoice on Coconut accounting software, so you can use the support document later to attach to any transactions what you will be making on this accounting software. To add a receipt, go to Home section and there is option to save a receipt. Okay, now take a snap of a receipt or an invoice, save receipt, fill in details. So I have receipt date 7th, I will add 25, and I can add description like, in my case, I will also call it petrol receipt. Okay, click done and save. It might take a couple seconds to upload. Okay. So now receipts have been added. So this is the way how you can upload receipts and any other support documents and keep on Coconut accounting software, I would say like a cloud, later for you to select to any transactions what you will record. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial as well as my personal review. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.